Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can easily edit your products with Canva with a template share link. I gotta say, Canva has made it really easy for us to rebrand a product as our own, and then we can sell it for 100% commission. And now you need to open your Canva account on the same browser as the template link in our course right here. You can create a free account with Canva really easily with your Gmail. Now go back to your school, open our course. Then you need to go to the Ultimate Playlist bundle right here. These are the products, template link. Just click on that one and it will automatically go to this page. You just need to scroll down and click on Use Template for New Design. I hope you already read this through because it's really important for you to locate where you need to replace with your own brand. For example, you can find on page number 4 here, and you can change this to your name, and this should be your Instagram handle. Click on this pencil here and you can replace this link with your own Instagram link. After that, you can click on Done. And there are several pages that you need to change, and I will put it above. You need to read through and change anywhere that needed. After you have done with everything, click on the share button here, scroll down and click on download. In this part, you're gonna choose this drop down button and choose PDF standard. And now you can save download setting and click on download. In this part, it will say try Canva Pro for free. It's 30-day trial and you can cancel it anytime. So you can just choose the monthly option, then click on next. After you export everything, you can go ahead and cancel your account. So basically, it's no cost. After you have downloaded your file, you can upload it into a folder in Google Drive, and you need to get the link for certain file, and I have it right here. For example, if I want to get the link for the Faceless Guide to Passive Income, just right click, click on share, go to share, and make sure you put this as anyone with a link, then copy link. Now I also create a Google Sheet file like this, and I organize every link here, easier for me to locate everything. Then I can paste my PDF file link right here next to it. Now you can watch the next videos to get your Canva template links, and you can also paste it right here. Make sure you read the guide through because it also have the Canva guide. You can find it in chapter 14. With the same process, you can go and edit everything. Just take your time and do it. I hope you success. And if you have any questions, feel free to DM me or just raise a question in our group. We are here to help.